Welcome back to another technical video. Today I'll be going through your questions, answering them, and hopefully finding that solution that you're looking for. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy just like me, and hopefully get to that resolution you need. Now, let's get started. And that's it, guys. I hope that video helped find the resolution you're looking for. If it did, please, I'd appreciate it if you could hit subscribe. Until the next time you need more technical help, I hope you have a good one. Cheers.